मैम मैम
Entire committee to come forward for the national anthem. I would request Madhvi Vora to give the vote of thanks. It's my privilege to welcome you, Vidya ji, amongst all this august audience. We've been waiting anxiously for you to come, and I would like to thank you. I would like to thank the media. I would like to thank Shalini, whose first event is a great roaring success, and all my secretariat and also my committee members who have joined me to make this occasion a happening one. Thank you.
Vidya ma'am.
विद्या जी थोड़ा पीछे विद्या जी थोड़ा सा पीछे
मैम थोड़ा सा पीछे
विद्या मैम
सेंटर मैम लेफ्ट
विद्या मैम
विद्या मैम लेफ्ट
मैम सेंटर
विद्या मैम लेफ्ट
थैंक यू
अरे रुक जा
Priyanka.
Okay.
Hi.
Hi, Vidya. I am satisfied with the kind of response we are getting for this film, and looks like you are on a screening spree. Yesterday it was the CM of Uttar Pradesh. Today is, of course, this beautiful lady.
You know, we've come back from UP with great news that the film has been declared tax-free there, and Shalini Paramal, who's the now president of the IMC, asked me if I'd be able to come here because IMC wanted to do a special screening, and I said more than happy. It's a screening for all the women members, the women's wing of IMC. So I'm here. I'm enjoying the fact that people are enjoying the film.
It is in a sense a film for the women, like it talks about many issues and women in today's society. Do you think that kind of connected big time with the audience?
No, I think primarily it's a love story, and women love love stories, and like you said, you know, it's really Vasudha's journey. It's how she comes into her own. She blossoms through the film, and I think that's why lots of women are connecting. Just day before yesterday, we got a call from Raipur saying out of 700 seats in the theatre, 500 seats were taken up by women. You know, in the afternoon shows, and that's fabulous. That's very encouraging.
There's some good news for you. You will be in the governing council of the FTII now. How are you looking at this new role? And will you
know, I have accepted the invitation to be on the governing council of the FTII. I'm very excited because, you know, I have done a lot of student films at the FTII. So now this time around I will be on the other side. But having said that, we haven't had our first meeting, so it's too premature to say anything about what kind of engagements or commitments this will entail.
How do you react to the crisis currently going on at the FTII? Would you back the students on whatever?
You know, which is why I'm saying that it's too premature for me to comment on anything to do with the FTII at this point, because we haven't even had our first meeting. So I'll refrain from commenting.
विजय जी अगर मूवी की अगर बात करें तो ऑडियंस से तो पसंद की, लेकिन क्रिटिकल रिसेप्शन थोड़ा मिक्स मिला है. एंड रिसेंटली महेश भट्ट जी ने भी कहा है कि critics इस मूवी को पसंद नहीं कर पा रही. What do you want to say about the views on the critics?
I don't think it's true across the board. हाँ, कुछ critics को शायद अच्छा नहीं लगा, पर बहुत critics को अच्छा भी लगा है. और the best test for a film is really audience reactions, and that has been overwhelming. So मैं बहुत खुश हूँ.
It's also a debate about the progression of the changes of role in women, like about how progressive roles now should be more welcome than regressive, and how people, some of them thought that it was regressive. How do you sometimes do you think that the analysis kind of affects the movie and the results, because you're talking about women and the kind of role?
No, I really think that just because Vasudha is not aggressive does not make her regressive. There is a fine line, and to me, Vasudha comes into her own. That is more important. If that's not being progressive, what is? Progressive and regressive is very, very relative. So to me, it is a story of her progressing into being her own person.
Sure. One last question, Vidya. For the fact that your achievement in cinema is quite phenomenal, how would you be able to report and probably take orders from a chairman who's being questioned for his caliber and his
Like I
position?
said, I'm not in a position to comment about anything to do with the FTI at the moment, because we haven't had our first meeting, so it would be very premature to say anything. Yes, you were asking me something.
विद्या एक्टर विद्या बालन, then डॉक्टर विद्या बालन, तो इसके बाद हम शायद ऐसा देखें कि पॉलिटिशियन विद्या
नहीं, सीएम के साथ मेरे पिक्चर्स आपने देखे, क्योंकि मैं मध्य प्रदेश गई थी, छत्तीसगढ़ गई थी और यूपी गई थी. सारे स्टेट्स में हमने टैक्स एग्जेम्पशन के लिए अप्लाई किया था, और सारे स्टेट्स ने हमें टैक्स फ्री डिक्लेयर भी किया है हमारी मूवी को. तो that's the reason you're seeing me.
What next with your upcoming project?
I will be able to announce that very soon.
Is it true you have a film with Rajni sir? Is it true?
No
तमिल
comments.
इंडस्ट्री में आप
No
डेब्यूट करेंगे
comments.
इतना.
Vidya, also, not all of them put in so much effort even for the second week of a movie to come and promote out. Because after a point they are like, we should let the word of the mouth spread and whatever. And since the results haven't been so much, also, are you pushing at your own level because you believe in the film so much and results don't show?
No, I always do, before the film and after the film. It's not the first time I'm stepping out after a film. I'm one of those actors who promotes a film all the way. And yes, of course, I believe in the film entirely. And the numbers, most importantly, give me reason to feel very jubilant and go out and meet people.
Thank you guys, thank you guys.
The fact that actors today are betting their money on projects they love.
I'm not going to do that. I want money from the producers.
My question is, are celebrities willing to consider their remuneration when it comes to making a project commercially viable? Do you think that's
can
happening?
balance it like for a project?
I think female actors do anyway. I think it's high time the male actors do. Thank you.
Thank you.
Bye, bye, bye.
Hello, ma'am.